Hey guys, so back with another video. I just wanted to review another product that we're getting for this current RV we're in. And I think it's pretty useful for everybody that loves to cook. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So what we have here is a spice rack. So we're going to be putting this spice rack up in our RV. And I just wanted to unpack this for you guys. So what you have is your hardware. You have an actual convenient, this is like one of the chalk marker things. IKEA actually has a lot of these. So you can mark your holes with this and it's not permanent. That's a very good feature. You also have a funnel, so you can put your spices in. You have some directions right here that tell you like how to unfold these racks. So that's helpful. All the labels you'll ever need. So that's very cool. And I think there's multiple sheets in here. That's awesome. So what this pack comes with is not just the shelves, but also the jars that you can refill with them. So this one's a 4-shelf one with 24 jars. There's also an option for 32 jars if you need that many spices, but we're thinking that 24 is just good enough for what kind of spices we usually use. So here's all the jars in there, and this is what you get with them. So they're just square jars. My hand's pretty big, so about 3 or 4 inches. And then you put the labels on top. So what this will basically do is, if we go over to the kitchen, which is not too far, we're going to take one of these, and I'll just pop this guy out. And I'll show you how to install them in a little bit, but I just wanted to show you an idea of what we were thinking of doing with them. And hopefully you guys will have the same idea. Sorry about dirty dishes. Life will go on. There we go. So what we're thinking, so this will fold down. We're going to pop this guy in. And we're going to pop this one in. Pop this one in. Now you're supposed to put a bolt at the end of this, just to secure it. So you put a bolt right there just to stop it from doing what I'm doing, but this is just for proof of concept. We're thinking of putting it here, and we know that there's going to be a little bit of a lip overhang, but what we can do is we'll just mount it with a different screw over here instead of using the mounting holes. And then this will hold all of our spices right next to the oven. We can also move it down here and put it right there, and then continue it down. So we're going to be moving these around and putting them in here, but we're thinking putting them up this high. Let's just back up, and then put the spices up there. So that's what we're going to do. I'll come back once we're ready to install them, but that's what you get in the box. Okay, so I started mounting this up. It's a little bit of an overhang, which is fine. We'll just move the screws a little bit inwards, and I'll show you that a little bit later. So I just wanted to bring you in now to show you what I did to get this one screw in with this hood in the way. Normally what you would do is just remove the hood and screw it in, but I'm going to choose this route because what this is really just some particle board. It's screwed in at the top where there is 1x1 over here, and it's also screwed in down here where there's another 1x1 here. So it's pretty secure. I like this whole build so far. They work off of one another, and they're connected. So pretty strong, pretty sturdy. All the hardware was very nice. So I'll bring you guys in once I'm all set with this, with some bottles on there. Okay, so I've installed this with the screws here, down in here, and here. So basically all the way up to the top. Very sturdy, not anything bad. We'll come back with all the bottles on it so I can show you. I just wanted to give you a quick take on how to do that. Make sure you just get it in between there so it grabs something on both sides and doesn't wiggle away when you're driving down the road. Alright. Alright, so this is when it's fully installed with all the bottles on it. Of course, we didn't put the spices in yet, but we will later on. Below in the description, there is this product there. Alright, this is when it's fully installed with all the bottles on it. This is the 24 version. Below in the description is a link to this product if you want to get it on Amazon. I think at this time of this video, it's like $30. Yep, and if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will definitely get back to you at this juncture. Yep, and I hope you have a great day and continue traveling.